Why is it that every business owner that makes content on the internet have sinus problems? Why all of a sudden, because one person wears a fucking nose strip, we all got to wear nose strips? It makes no sense to me. You all don't have bad sinuses. Maybe you have the idea that maybe I'm not breathing as well as I should, but you don't need to wear them in every fucking video you make. I don't get it. I don't know why this has become a thing on the internet. We all don't have sinus problems. You probably don't have sinus problems. You have a irrational fear because you're like, well, that guy he's successful. He's got a nose strip thingy. He might have a sinus problem. Maybe he does. Or maybe he's just wearing it because he's getting more attention because he's wearing it. I just don't get it. Like, I think there's bigger problems in the world than everybody wearing nose strips in videos. It doesn't make sense to me. Just, if you're doing it, you don't need to do it in every video. I mean, you wear them when you sleep. That's why they were invented, is to wear nose strips when you sleep to breathe better so you don't snore. Wearing them 12 hours a day when you're at work and making videos, you don't need that shit. Take it off. Peace.